Hi, I just wanted to follow up on the video that I did about Samantha Markle's case being dismissed. That's not all that happened. I looked it up and I'm going to read the more particular parts of the judge's ruling. On March 30th, the judge said that the defendant's motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim is granted. And that's on the first complaint that Samantha submitted to the court. But then she did an amended complaint. So then the judge said, plaintiff's defamation claims based on the contents of the book, Finding Freedom, are dismissed with prejudice. So she didn't say whether or not that's the first complaint or the amended complaint. I'm assuming that includes the amended complaint, so that all of Samantha's complaints on the book Finding Freedom are dismissed with prejudice. That means she cannot bring those back to court, those complaints back to court. Then the judge said the plaintiff's defamation claims based on defendant's CBS interview and her claim for injurious falsehood are dismissed without prejudice. That means Samantha can bring those complaints back to court if she wants to amend her second amended complaint. And the judge says plaintiff may file an amended complaint within 14 days of this order. Defendant's request for attorney's fees and costs under the anti-SLAPP statute are denied. So that the judge has said that Megan cannot get her attorney's fees and costs paid by Samantha. That is without prejudice because the judge said the ruling is premature. So later, the judge might grant her those fees, but she says it's premature right now, and she'll have to see what happens in the next 14 days. Will Samantha refile a complaint as her third amended complaint against Megan? So she has until, this was done on the 30th, so she has about until the 13th of April to file her third amended complaint. The judge is Charlene Edwards Honeywell. So we'll have to wait until April 13th to see whether or not Samantha has decided to file again and try to get her complaint okayed by the judge and not dismissed about her complaints on the CBS interview, and as to whether or not those falsehoods that she complains of were injurious to her. So it's not totally out yet, but by the 14th of April, we should know whether or not this case is done or whether it's going to be drug out some more. So we'll have to wait and see. And just wanted to update you. Bye.